You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this book. If you want to learn more biblical names, more names from the Bible, make sure to stay tuned. A Jewish work originally written in Hebrew. The pronunciation in English is as Ecclesiasticus. Let's break it down. E, Kli, Z, Ast, I, Kus. The stress is on the ast or the ziast syllable. Ecclesiasticus. Ecclesiasticus, from Latin Ecclesiasticus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.